Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, Abbina here. Welcome to my channel. So I've been designing in Figma recently and I just trying some different thing until I discovered a simple interactive button idea that you might want to try in your design. Open the Figma application on your computer. Click on the New Design option to create a new design canvas. Modify the title of your design according to your preference. Insert a frame onto the canvas to create a space for your design elements. Design the shapes you want, such as star or other desired shapes. Locate the component icon on the top bar and click on it. Click the component icon again to add a variant to your shape. Make the variant stand out by giving it a distinct color. Go to the prototype page where you will create interaction. Connect the initial star variant 1 or default to the second variant. Choose on tab as the trigger and select change to followed by variant 2. Use the smart animate transition with an ease in and out animation. Click OK to confirm. Link variant 2 back to variant 1 using the same composition settings as before. It's kinda tricky, but I know it's just a simple prototyping though. Move to the Assets page within Figma. Drag and drop the new component you created earlier from the Assets page. Finally, navigate to the Preview page to test your interactive design and see if it works as intended. Alright, that's it. I hope it works for you and I highly recommend this idea in your design too. Thank you so much. If you find this useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later. Assalamualaikum.